Good morning, Papa.
Good morning.
I'm hungry.
Eat some candy.
No, I want to make Grandma breakfast in bed.
All right.
So now I'm gonna bake my grandmother an egg bake, I guess. Here are the ingredients we need: egg, a little bit of salt and pepper, milk, cheese, ham, and bread. First, what we have to do is remember to wash our hands. Let's wash our hands. There we go. Okay. Now this is just a simple egg breakfast. So first we're going to start with the eggs. You can use how much eggs you want. I'm just going to use 7. Oh no, I grabbed this wrong. Oh well. It'll be fine. Egg number 2. Did that one right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is freezing cold, so it's kind of what are my hands? Like have frostbite. Okay, now we're done with the eggs. Now we're gonna mix it. Okay, now that we've mixed it a little, we're gonna get the salt and pepper, dump it in. Also with the milk. Now we're gonna put on the gloves. Oh wait, no. Mix it in a little. And I guess it's turning a little brownish. Okay, now I think we need the ham and cheese. Guys, the yolk got me sticky, so I decided to put some gloves on. Time for the ham, not too big, not too small. You're gonna want to cut it into strips like that. Right here, here, and right here. And then you're gonna turn it. Okay, just like this. Just like dice. You're gonna cut it right here. Sam really doesn't want to be cut. Cut right here. Here. Could have got a better knife, but nope. This she'll have to do, and right here. Okay, now that we cut it up, we're gonna put in the yolk. Didn't go all the way through. I have to break it apart. We're just going to keep doing all of it in. then we'll put the cheese in. We did preheat the stove and oven. So we made that done. Okay, now you can put how much cheese you like, but I'm going with a lot. Okay, now you're gonna take your bread and you're gonna cut it. This knife doesn't really work for me. Oh, I guess we just cut it here. Oh, extra for me. Okay, got this. Then we put it in here. Guys, I had help from my grandpa because I forgot that I also have to cut into like small pieces. And always make sure that there's an adult doing this with you. Because you're going to end up using some stuff that you're going to need help with. You're going to need an adult with you to help you with some of this. Okay, got it. And then there, you're just going to throw it in, cut up some more. No, I almost cut in my glove. Okay, I'm just gonna do one more piece. Guys, I'm actually gonna add some more, and I'm gonna show you another way how to do this. Rip it to smithereens. Destroy it. It's okay if your bread gets squished. It'll be fine. Okay, now what we're gonna do is make sure you have gloves on for this one. You're gonna get in here and mix. Mix it all well so you know that it's well. Okay, I think this is good. Now that we have everything ready, we have our eggs ready and our bread. So now you're going to take it and just like this, put it all through here. It doesn't have to be even, the bread, but now you can take a spatula and like move it all over. We added a lot of cheese. Just kind of like stir it. Just like this. Now we need an adult for this.
I got this. Make sure that's out of the way. So, put in the oven. What's it? Temps reading?
I don't know.
Right there.
Okay. So now that we got that in the oven, we're just going to let that cook. Well,
At what time? That says 350, right?
yeah.
And for how long you want to cook it for? Till it's done?
Yeah, I guess. I don't really know.
About a half an hour.
Yeah.
So we'll be back in a half an hour.
Yeah, we'll be back in a half an hour when this is done. Guys, the food is done. I like mine's very cheesy, So I'm gonna put like more cheese on it, like that much.
Start the oven on fire.
No, that's how it is. And now we just spread it all around. And then we're gonna let that melt. It's kind of long.
All right, I'll help you get it back in the oven.
Okay, you let it cool off a little bit, but it's still hot. Just get her some. Oh. You gotta dig in. Looks delicious. And I have some myself. We did cook a big thing of this. So, I think I burned through this.
That's why we use tin foil. That should be enough for Gigi.
Yep. Okay, guys, let's go get for her meal. Excuse me. Oh wait, we forgot the tray. Yeah, she needs a tray.
No, that's good. It's just a small bowl.
I guess. Hey Gigi, we made you breakfast in bed.
Just giving tricks.
Why not? Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, we let it cool down, but it's hot.
is it hot?
Yeah. It like came out of the oven like not
Oh,
that long
I see
ago.
it's hot.
Come on, Grandma, try some of your granddaughter's cooking.
I had a little help from him. He only helped me with the oven.
I helped you. Uh-oh.
Only with the oven. Look at the cute doggies. They're so
That's Rufus.
That's good.
Why'd
You
like
made
it?
this?
Yeah. We only put it in the oven for me and took it out.
You sure?
Yeah.
I believe that because I don't think Papa can make this.
She's being rude.
Look at Fat Man there. Wants some too. You got Maggie sitting there.
I can get you some. You want some? You want your own?
That's mine.
Are you ready to eat some of your breakfast?
Yeah.
All
And I
right.
think he's ready.
You did an amazing job, sweetheart.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go and eat.
Rufus, want some food?
That's you. Go.
Thanks for watching me cook my grandmother breakfast in bed. If you guys liked it, subscribe,
And hit the like button.
hit the like button, and turn on those
I'll
post
help you cook some more.
notifications.
I'll help you cook some more.
Yep.
All right.
Bye.